In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare AI models in Perplexity AI, detailed guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to run fair tests, read the results with confidence, and pick the right model for your needs. First, open the official Perplexity AI website and sign in to your account. Starting from the homepage keeps everything consistent, and being logged in ensures you have access to the full set of model options available to you. Next, click on the search bar to start a new prompt. Think of this as your testing space. Keeping everything in one clean session helps you stay organized as you compare outputs. Before you type anything, click the model option to select your first AI model. This choice sets the baseline for your comparison. Pick the model you want to evaluate first so you can come back and measure others against it. Now enter a clear, consistent test prompt. For example, you could use "Explain how blockchain works in simple terms." A neutral, well-phrased prompt like this makes it easier to compare apples to apples across models because it tests clarity, correctness, and accessibility in one go. Review the response carefully. Look at accuracy by checking whether the facts presented are correct and free of contradictions. Evaluate clarity by asking whether the explanation is easy to follow without unnecessary jargon. Then consider the depth of explanation. Does it cover the fundamentals, give relevant context, and avoid skipping key steps? Switch to another model using the same model dropdown. Keeping the interface consistent helps reduce variables in your test. Paste the exact same prompt and run it again. Consistency is the key to a fair comparison. Any changes you make to the wording can skew the results, so resist the urge to tweak the sentence. Compare the results side by side in terms of writing style, level of detail, structure, and speed of response. Some models are concise and punchy, while others are thorough and step-by-step. Note which style matches your goal. By the way, because this is a website, I've placed a direct link to Perplexity AI at the very top of the description so you can jump in quickly. Repeat the process with different prompt types. Try an informational prompt, a technical prompt that tests precision or step logic, and a creative prompt to see tone and originality. Keep your wording stable within each category to keep comparisons fair. Finally, choose the model that performs best for your specific use case. Whether that's teaching complex ideas simply, drafting technical summaries, or generating creative drafts. Thanks for watching.